Big Cartel offers a straightforward approach to shipping, making it easy for small businesses to manage their shipping needs. Here's how it works. Shipping setup. After logging into your Big Cartel account, navigate to the shipping section under settings. Here, you can define shipping rates based on different criteria, such as weight, price, or flat rates. Define shipping zones. You can create shipping zones to specify different rates for various regions. This allows you to tailor shipping options based on your customer's location. Set shipping rates. Big Cartel allows you to set shipping rates manually. You can specify a flat rate per order, weight-based rates, or free shipping for specific products or order amounts. Label printing. Although Big Cartel does not handle shipping label printing directly, you can integrate third-party shipping solutions to streamline label creation and order fulfillment. Notifications. Once an order is shipped, you can manually update the order status and provide customers with tracking information to keep them informed.